Hi everyone, it's Jean from Sew It Themes, and I am still working on my junk mail window envelopes and coming up with another project for you. My next two journals are going to be ocean related, so I'm kind of like making some ephemera for those journals. And for this project, which I'm not going to tell you right away, I'm going to lead you along and surprise you. For this particular project, the ones that work best are the large open windows, um, such as these here, or even maybe the two double slit windows would work as well. So this is the one that I chose, was this envelope, and I cut it down. One hint I will give you, and that is it's going to be a journaling card. So I kind of wanted it to be along that size. So I just removed the excess there. Now, it's really unusual that this particular envelope doesn't have any printing around here. Usually they do. But most of these envelopes are always white. So I like to come in here and just sort of faux tea stain them a little bit with Distress ink. I will just work around here really fast, kind of tame down that white in there. There we go. Now, since I am working on a sea theme, I have a journaling card or a printout here of a beach with a hat and seashells, so it kind of gives you the illusion of being on the beach. I'm going to use that as my background inside here. Now you could use any kind of background. You can even use plain paper if you wanted to give a certain effect or whatever. And I'm just going to situate it right inside here. And the first thing that I want to do is I want to sew around this window, but I want to leave this area here where the slit is opened. So I will just step away and sew that, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've stitched around it a couple times, and you know, if you feel like you can't sew a straight line, then this is a project that you can do. I purposely, you know, didn't even try to be straight, just tried to be a little wavy and went around, and you know, it just is a nice effect. You don't have to be a perfect sewer to sew in your on your journaling ephemera projects. So I encourage you to do that. Otherwise, you could have glued it, but I don't know. That would have been a lot of trouble to glue it around there. So I almost think that probably sewing is your only option for this particular project. So it'll make you try something new if you have not done that. And I'm going to give this a little bit of decoration. Even though this little quote here is really cute, life is simple, just add water, I need a little bit more dimension in here. So I am going to glue on a little piece of this burlap. I think the burlap kind of reflects or kind of speaks to the straw hat there a little bit. And oh, my favorite tack is really getting down there. I also have a lot of these little seashell cutouts, and this is from Whimsical Musings, and I'll put her link down below as well. She has a whole sheet of seashells and coral, some words that you can download. So we'll just get this all covered with the Fabri-Tac. We'll put a little bit of this down here in the corner, and then I'm going to put down these. Oh, I hear the lawn people outside. Sorry about that noise. Let me just put this down here. Yeah, somebody said that when you live in Florida, there's always somebody mowing the lawn. And that's pretty much how it is. We get so much rain down here. Okay. He's coming a little later in the day than he usually does. All right, let's just get these little shells down here. So this is really going to make this beachy looking. Let's see here. I'll put it down like that. Okay, there's our little seashells. All right, I think I kind of want, well, okay, that's good. Now for the secret ingredient. And as soon as I get this out, you are probably going to guess what I'm making. Here's the seed beads. I used to do jewelry about 2-3 eyeglass prescriptions ago. I don't really have eyes to really do this anymore. But they're little, whoops, yep, there we go. They're little tiny seed beads. And I think they're just perfect for this project. So we're going to slip them right in here. And slip a little scoop of this, get some of these water beachy colors, get a little bit of sand colors. Yeah, so you guessed it, I am making a shaker card, journaling card. A little shaker card that you can journal on. There, isn't that cute? Okay, then I'm going to sew along here, so I'll be right back with that. Okay, I finished sewing up that little gap in there, and now you'll probably want to glue this together so that you're not always catching it on things when you're putting it in and out of your journal. So I get that down there nice and tight. So there is your little shaker card. How cute is that? Now the back of it, of course, is going to be kind of messed up. So I just took a piece of tea stained paper, tore around it, inked the edges, and I will glue this on the back of it so that you're able to write on it like a journal card. Here's a couple of other ones that I've done already. This is a little cute one here with the coral. Again, these are from Whimsical Musing. This is just some of the items on her sheet that you get to download. And here is one here. There you go, with a little lighthouse. And let's see if I can get it on here. I know it's kind of shiny. Trying to get the glare off of there. And then, of course, the back with a journaling space on there. So that is my latest project as I work on my ocean journals, ocean themed journals. One will be a beachy theme, and the other one will be a little bit more of a nautical lighthouse themed journal. And if you're interested in seeing how I am working on that and the steps that I'm taking to put it together, and you can just watch the whole process as I put together these two journals, then please subscribe below and click the bell so you know that the next time I post a video on this, you'll know when that is. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again. Bye.